Okay, let's continue that. Now, what happened? Many times you are closing your file. Okay, still people are afraid that means, sir, where exactly my file is went? What happened with my file? Guys, file are not going anywhere. You can see in the left hand side many times, you're clicking on the Explorer. You cannot able to see your Explorer also. So problem is not there, guys. What happened? It's just a hidden for the temporary. When you clicking on again back your Explorer, you can see the again my file Explorer is came, and over here when you clicking again your try.html, we can able to see your file. So if suppose you close that, still there is no problem, you can click again back and your file will become. Right now we are using our juju, or we can say as a simply boilerplate. How we can use the boilerplate means, it's like auto generated code. Your auto syntax will be a coming. How? Let me tell you that. Okay, so for that purpose, I want to take you on the on screen keyboard so you can understand what exactly we are using on screen keyboard. Okay, so we need to be a hold our shift button, and after letter second is a exclamation mark. Okay, what we need to be hold shift button and exclamation mark. Okay, let me show you what exactly the magic we are doing. Shift and exclamation mark. Now see, there is a emit is coming. Emit means what? Emit means it's helping to write a syntax about your HTML code. Just enter over here and you can see, I can able to see right now the HTML full boilerplate. Boilerplate means what? It's like a syntax which one we do not need to write again and again. See over here, we have to the HTML opening tag, HTML closing tag, head open, head close, body open, body close. So basically what happened, the code is ready. Okay, now simple thing what exactly I'm doing, I'm going inside of the body and I'm using to the p tag. Okay, just p I rotate over here, just hit enter button, or else you can use your mouse also, you can click over here also. See, p tag open, p tag close. So previously when you used to the your text.html file, sorry, not text.html file, I want to be say that when you use to the .txt file, then thing is what, we cannot able to structureize properly, we cannot able to understand your code. But whenever we are using to the Visual Studio VS Code, it will be easy to understand code and it's easy to manageable also. That's why people in the industry, when they want to be a write a program, they are using to the VS Studio or Visual Studio. Okay, now let's go inside. I want to be write a boku boku text. Means simple what? I want to be write over here. Some texts are there. So how we can write? Just over here write lorem. Okay, and just hit enter button, or else you can click on the using by mouse also. See, lorems means what? Predefined texts are coming. We do not need to write exactly the paragraph. Control. Now don't forget that. Right now, see, whenever you are starting over here, see what happened whenever we are doing changes over here, something white dot is coming. White dot meaning is what? You not save yet this file, so you can go to the file section and you can click over here save button, then your file will be saved. Or else you can able to use to your shortcut also, that is called control s save. You can see right now it's a save, there is no anymore your white dot. Means what? Right now you made it this file and your everything is ready. Now suppose our file is ready. Now what happened? I want to be see in the internet, right? So simply what we are doing, you need to come to the over here, you need to be a right click on this side and see in right, when you're doing right click, we have to the option open with the live server. Means right now our website is ready to display on your Chrome. So just click over here open with the live server. I'm clicking. Okay, I want to, this is first time, that's why I want to be say allow and everything. Okay, now allowing, you can see in the down over here your website is the ready. Are you getting? So that exactly I want to mean. See right now my title is what? Document. Let me change the title. I'm coming again back to my VS Studio and I'm saying maybe this is a Rohit website. Okay, a website, not it's a just one page, right? So web page. Are you getting? Control. See right now when I'm doing to the changes over here, white dot is coming. Means what? It's not saved yet. So we need to go to the file, or we need to click over here save, or else you can use to the shortcut also control s saved. Right now I do not need to right click again back. I do not need to do to the again open with the live server. When you are doing first time, that is okay. Okay, now I'm directly going over here. You can see the changes are happening. I do not need to do again and again with the live server, because live means what? If you can doing changes anything in your VS Code, it will be automatically reflecting in your Chrome browser. So that exactly the today's lecture. I hope you guys are understand how we can install to the Visual Studio and how we can use that using for your web application development. Thank you so much for the today. Let's see the tomorrow.